Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to eliminate pop-ups in MCAFEE. To get started, press Start and click Settings. After that, in the system, click on Notifications and you can check if there is one associated with MCAFEE. If so, deactivate the switch for that option. After this, click on the MCAFEE icon in the taskbar and click on Open MCAFEE Total Protection. When the application has loaded, click on the gear icon. After that, click on General Settings and Alerts and then click on Informational Alerts. You can check that the options show informative alerts when it is unchecked. If you need it, click Apply. Now open Chrome, click on the menu and you will go to Extensions to choose Manage Extensions. When you log in, click on the MCAFEE Web Advisor switch and then click Remove. You must confirm this process. While in the browser, click on the menu and select Settings. Here, under Privacy and Security, click on Site Settings. After this, click on Notifications. The first thing you will do is copy the available MCAFEE path. After that, click on the three dots and select Remove. When you do it, in the section Not Allowed to Send Notifications, click on Add. Here, paste the MCAFEE path and click on Add. Then in the search box, enter Services. Click on Local Services. Here, select and double-click on the MCAFEE Activation Service. Now set the startup type to Disabled and click Apply and OK. To finish the process, click Start and select Settings. You're going to go to Apps and then Installed Apps. Here, click on the three dots of MCAFEE Total Protection and select Uninstall. You must click Uninstall again. Then click Yes to open the wizard. You must activate the boxes in the wizard and click on Remove. Click on Remove again and you must wait for this process to finish. When it completes, you will need to click on Restart Now. The system will reboot to complete this step. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. When you log in, press Start again and choose Settings. Now you must go to Apps and click on Installed Apps. After that, locate MCAFEE's Web Advisor, click on the three dots and select Uninstall. You must click again. You're going to click yes to open the wizard. After this, click on no, thanks, just uninstall it. Wait for it to be uninstalled. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.